Hello there YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lead with dim colours on, so you can use it on an amp, pair of turtle beaches, you can see them all over there. So basically I'm going to use it on my amp, running to my stereo speakers, and my stereo running to the amp, back up to the stereo speakers. But this video is going to show you how to make the lead for the Xbox. So basically you want one of those Xbox lead things. I've already made mine. See? Basically, I went out today and bought a brand new one to smash. So, here's the new one. Let's be opening this packaging now. Very carefully. Basically, bought this from Game Station. Yes, it is still open. No one can say it's not open. Just unwrapping this. And as you can see, it's got one of them stupid connectors on. So really, you just want to break the case off. You will need a flathead screwdriver. Basically, all you do, you put it there. You put it anywhere where it connects. Push it in. So it does come off. But this one don't want to come off. So when it wants to come off, I think they've made them so they can't come off. So they've made them so they can't come off now. Okay. Or better option, just cut at the bottom of these. So that thing comes off. Basically, that's a good idea. Just cut that thing off. So yeah, as you can see, I've still got the casing on it, but no water at the bottom. And there you go. Orders option 2, which is the one where it's just one of them open. So now all you do is plug that back in your Xbox to use HDMI. You have to snap that off to use HDMI, and like that. And I will show you how it works tomorrow, because basically I can't put the stereo on because it's too late at night. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to make turtle beaches work with HDMI. Thank you and goodbye.